Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Hakka training on ICRT. We're taking the train to the township of Tofen in Miaoli County, actually taking to Zhunan first and then transfer over. And today, I'm just going to focus on eating because every time I visit a new town, I want to eat what's special over there. 今天呢，要带着大家呢坐这个火车到竹南，转车到哪里呢？苗栗县头份市。然后呢，今天肚子比较饿，所以今天呢一定要让 Leo 来介绍当地的美食，好吗？哦，好饿哦，不想再走路了，我想要吃东西了哟。
好啦，我带你去吃一个特别的啦，
好，
就是米粉。
米粉，等一下，我们在苗栗，我知道你在讲米粉，还要回到新竹，好远哦。
没有啦，我现在带你去的地方在头份附近的尖山这边就有米粉了，而且这里的米粉啊，其实从日本时代就有啦。
哦，好。
不过你知道这个米粉的差别在哪里吗？
不知道
新竹的米粉呢，就是U 是用蒸的
，U 米米，
对，
是这样子的意思吗？
就是细的，比较细的米粉，
对，
比较适合用炒的。
对，
那尖山这边做的是水粉，它是用水煮出来的，所以呢，它是比较粗的米粉，粗
粗的米粉，
粗的米粉
有啦，这我也吃过，这个特别有嚼劲啊。
对啊，煮米粉它很适合
哦。对啊，好吃。
尖山这边其实也是跟新竹一样这边会有九江风
啊，对，九江风嘛，
对，东北季风嘛，
吹过来，
所以呢，吹过来那个米粉就做的特别好吃，而且他们的雷阵雨都很少，所以呢，很适合来晒米粉。
尖山米粉一定都有它自己的特色，
对啊，都很有名，都很好吃哦，大家一定要试试看。
很饿了，快点走吧。
好，走，来去吃吧。
When Taiwanese people think of rice noodles, they immediately think of Hsinchu in the north. But Miaoli's Jianshan also has world-class rice vermicelli, which, like all the Hakka noodles in northern and central Taiwan, are only used for special occasions. Jianshan's location is also perfect for sun-drying noodles because it doesn't get much rain. The biggest difference between the two types of noodles is that Jianshan's thick noodles are boiled, while Hsinchu makes thinner noodles which are steamed.
Now that we've eaten, it's time to teach you some vocabulary such as the fried rice noodles, 也就是我们的炒米粉。
炒米粉
，OK， 然后有分细的、粗的，对不对？The thin kind， 细的叫做
UU
啊，如果粗的话 ，if it's thick，
粗
All right, and that's all the time we have for today's Hakka training on ICRT.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.